We're also gonna give you $10,000 in cash.
Get out.
As long as you promise to give her lots of scratches.
I do that for nothing.
Well, now you're doing it for 10 grand.
No way.
No problem.
I rescued so many babies.
Because I just love them and they deserve a good home.
Yeah, absolutely. You're gonna give her a great home, we know that.
And even though it was a chaotic day, by the end of day 2, we had 44 dogs adopted. But we noticed that there was one dog who got passed up by more families than any other that day. This dog's name is Buffett. He only has 3 legs because sadly he was hit by a car. Which unfortunately means he just may be the hardest dog out of 100 to find a home for. So this is my favorite dog over here.